Welcome to Riverston, a journey from Kandy. Welcome to Riverston, a hidden gem nestled in the Matale district of Sri Lanka. If you're travelling from Kandy, get ready for a scenic journey covering approximately 65 kilometres. As you leave Kandy's bustling streets, you'll soon find yourself amidst Riverston, located in Sri Lanka's Matale district, is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and cool climate. This lush, green region features misty mountains, rolling hills, and stunning views, perfect for hiking and nature enthusiasts. The picturesque scenery and serene atmosphere make Riverston
speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night,